Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. So we are continuing with GitHub tutorial, and in this video we are going to see GitHub action and security dependency scanning in GitHub. Okay, so GitHub action is the CI/CD pipeline that is offered by GitHub. Okay, so let's go back to our repository, and here whenever you have any repository, you can see icon like action here. You have to click on that and you can perform any kind of action here. Configure, click here. Okay, commit changes, create a blank.yml, propose changes. Okay, create pull request. Okay, so let me see, merge, confirm merge. Okay, so let's see, our GitHub action pipeline will be running right now. So let's see, if we go to our action now, okay, you can see it here, merge pull request from this one, from Bipin. Our GitHub username is successful right now, right? Click on this and you can see build stage is successfully completed. So you can see it, all the stages, cleaning up orphan jobs process, and you can see post job cleanup. So this is how GitHub action work. Okay, so in another video I have already defined. Okay, so here in my repository I have defined, okay, GitHub action sample pipeline. Okay, so YAML sample GTA. Okay, so I have written this GitHub workflow, so you can see like that here. Okay, like this we can create and we can deploy our code to any environment or any, like, from on Kubernetes, on EC2, on somewhere else. Okay, we can deploy our code. So this is GitHub action, and this is CI/CD pipeline that is offered by GitHub. Okay, so apart from it, what we are going to see security and dependency scanning in GitHub. Okay, so let's go back to our repository, and we can see in the repository we can see security option here, right? So we can enable this security feature, so that whenever our repository having any threat or any security concern issue, then we will be getting notified, and GitHub will continuously scanning our repository to avoid any threat, threat or any unwanted access that could be the miscellaneous and harmful for our project and our code. Okay, set up a security policy, we can do it. We can set up a security policy, we can enable this one, we can enable dependency boot alert, so that if any issue occurred or anything went wrong in our repository, we will be getting alert. Okay, set up code scanning, we can set up code scanning as well for our repository. Okay, or for our project. So secret scanning, there is a lot of things available. Pull request, check failure, dependency boot scanning, so dependable boot alert, dependable boot update, dependable version updates. Okay, we can update these things and we can avoid such threat issue in our GitHub repository while working with GitHub. Community and open source, we don't have to really discuss this because we already know uh, we can use GitHub for community as well, and we can use it as open source as well. Okay, so that's it. I hope you understand what is GitHub and how it works and what are the what are the different things comes under GitHub. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then do check out my other playlist as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.